Everyone is telling you how to make money with Claude from your bedroom. But here's the thing, nobody is actually making real money from their bedroom. I spent last month tracking what's actually working. Almost none of it looks like what most creators are telling you to do. So here are 5 ways to actually make money with Claude in 2026. And this is real, honest advice, and that is why they are ranked by how uncomfortable they are. Because let's be honest, if it is comfortable, everyone is already doing it and the money is already gone. So let's go. Idea 1, the AI panic consultant. Every small business owner in your city is panicking about AI right now. They know they are falling behind. Their competitors are talking about AI, their clients are talking about AI, and even their kids are talking about AI and they have zero idea what to do with it. This is your first business. And the pitch is pretty simple. You walk in, you spend 2 hours understanding their business. You then feed everything into Claude and Claude writes you a full roadmap. The 10 things that they should do, ranked by what makes them the most money. And you include a 30-day plan. The bigger version, you don't just deliver the plan. You stay on as their AI advisor and you can easily get paid 3K every single month. And then every quarter, you just redo the plan based on what has changed. So here's the part nobody tells you. They are not paying you for the plan. They are paying you to stop being stressed. You don't need to be an AI expert. You need to be calmer than they are. And they are just very stressed out about everything that is happening. Total time per client is 6 hours and you get paid 2.5K. Do 1 per week and you are already on 10K every single month. But this one requires you to leave the house. So if that sounds rough, the next one after this you can do from your laptop. So this one is the ugliest, unsexiest, most boring business in the whole list. But at the same time, it's the one where the most money is. So every company you've ever heard of is sitting on broken data. Spreadsheets everywhere. Old databases nobody touches and 3 different systems that don't talk to each other. And they all want AI. But here's one really important thing. You cannot put AI on top of broken data. It doesn't work. Before any AI project, someone has to clean up all the mess. And that someone might be you. So you walk in, you look at their data situation, and you can actually use Claude Code to write migration scripts. So you move everything into a Supabase or Postgres database. You can then set up MCP connections so Claude can actually query their own data. And you can build them a very simple dashboard where they can ask questions and get answered. So a small project can easily be 5 to 10K. A medium project can already be 15 to 25K. And a big agency with messy data across 5 systems, 25K plus easily. And here's the thing, once you are in their data, you are their AI partner forever. So why doesn't everyone do this? Because it sounds boring, it's not sexy on YouTube, and nobody's making reels about cleaning up a database. And that is exactly the reason why it pays. Everyone wants to build a shiny app, but nobody wants to fix the stuff underneath it. And I personally do this work right now at my agency. And it pays more than anything else. And the best part about this is Claude Code can do the most of it. So if you know Claude Code at a basic level, you can do this. I am pretty sure most people watching this right now already have the right skill level. Alright, before we are jumping in business number 3, make sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. But now, let's go on with number 3. And this one I am really excited about because nobody saw this coming, like ever. A small business owner walks up to you with nothing. No website, no video, no ads, no funnel, no AI. And before Claude Code, helping this person meant hiring 5 different specialists. A web designer, a video editor, a copywriter, a media buyer, and a developer. But today, it's one person, and that one person can be you. With Claude Code. So for example, on Monday you use Claude Design to build their landing page. On Tuesday, Claude Design builds their brand video. On Wednesday, Claude Code builds their email funnel and an AI chatbot for their website. On Thursday, you set up Meta and Google Ads using Claude Code to run the campaigns. And then on Friday, you just deliver everything. And you can price this pretty good. A basic launch can cost 3.5K. A growth package with chatbot and 30 days of ads, 7.5K. And a full stack with ongoing ad management can easily cost 12K plus a 2K per month retainer. So here's the part that makes this work. Clients don't want to hire 5 people. They want one person to just handle it. Basically the whole reason agencies exist. They don't want to work with 5 different people with 5 different opinions, just one. And before, that was impossible. Nobody was good at everything. And you would always need to hire an agency. But now, one person with Claude Code and Claude Design delivers all of that. So the reality check right here is that most agencies still have 20 people doing what you can now do solo. You can charge what they charge, but now you keep 95% of that. Alright, so number 4 is where we move from one-time projects to real business. Every small business you've ever seen is running on spreadsheets and sticky notes. They don't want to pay for all these external tools, but they also at the same time cannot afford custom software. And they've been stuck in here for years. But you walk in with Claude Code and Supabase and you honestly change their whole game. So in week 1, you find their biggest process pain, the thing that eats their whole week. And in week 2, you build them a custom tool that fixes that. A real database with a real interface deployed to their domain. But then the important part, you add an AI chat layer on top of that with MCP. Now they don't just have a tool. They have a tool that answers questions about their own data. So for example, which clients haven't paid? Claude can just answer that. Who's our best performing salesperson this quarter? Claude can answer that. And you can charge 5,000 to build it and then 1.5K to maintain and add features. And get 5 of these clients and you will already be at 7.5K monthly recurring revenue. And the MCP layer is what makes this defensible. Because without it, you are just building another tool in their tool stack. But with it, no matter what Claude is launching in the coming 6 months, they will always be able to use that MCP server to hop on every new development from Claude. But here's the thing, most developers haven't figured out and a lot of agencies still don't know what MCPs are yet. So these first 4 ideas make you great money, but they all have the same problem. You are still trading your time for money. So when you stop working, you are not earning any money. And number 5 is the one that fixes all of that. So here's the shift that changed everything for me. Every client project you deliver can become a product you sell forever. So say you do idea number 1, 2, 3, 4 from this video and you get a paying client. You deliver the work, just normal, regular agency stuff. But you don't stop there. You take the reusable parts of that project. The template, the code, the system, and you need to polish that. You make a video walkthrough and you sell it. And you sell it once for example, 497 euros. And then again, and again, and again. And I can actually say again and again and again because I have been doing that myself. And 50 copies at 497 euros is already 25K you earned while sleeping. And you still own the agency business underneath it. So most people think they have to pick an agency or a product, client work or passive income. But they are the same thing, just with an extra step. And I personally do this at BuildLoop right now. My boxes, the product line, every single one of them started as client work I did at my agency. So I built it once for money and then I packaged it and sold it 50 times more. And that is not 2 businesses. That is one business with 2 income streams from the same work. And this is why I made this whole list the way I did. Ideas 1 through 4 are how you make your first 10,000 a month. But idea 5 is how you turn that 10,000 euros a month into 30,000 a month without doing any more work than you were already doing. And honestly, most creators won't tell you this because it takes 6 months to see the payoff. It is not easy and I will never tell you it is. But what I want to tell you is you watching this, it is possible. 100% sure. Just put in the work, put in the hours and the payoff will come. So every one of these 5 ideas requires you to do something slightly uncomfortable. Walk into businesses, quote prices that feel too high, actually show up for clients instead of hiding behind a laptop, and do work that doesn't scale for 6 months, so it can scale forever after that. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and then we'll see each other in my next video.